Hey guys, on today's video, we're gonna go over how to fix this problem that you guys have connecting this to your TV. So it's actually very easy to hook it up to your TV. However, 90% of people are missing this part. So look at the back here. So see this back? Yep, that means you guys need these two cables hooked up. So that's your HDMI. This goes directly to your TV. Most of you do that correctly. That means most of you, 100% of you. But 90% of you forget to hook this up. This is your AC adapter. This is the cable, and this is the brick right here, your AC adapter. This is what you're supposed to hook up here. I know you guys only hook it up right there to your switch to charge it up, but in this case, what you guys have to do is hook it up here. This is your AC adapter. You need these two cables hooked up. If you don't have these two cables hooked up, it's not gonna work. And yes, that means you have to plug this into an outlet, okay? So your switch will be charging while you hook it up to your TV, and that's how it works. Now, when it comes down to your HDMI, just remember which port you're hooking it up to. So if it's port 1 on your TV, just make sure that that's your source on your TV that you're selecting, number 1. From a lot of TVs nowadays, you don't really need to do that manually. It's just gonna go ahead and just detect it by itself and switch to that port. However, some people do need to switch with the controller themselves. So you need to select the correct source, whatever HDMI port that is. Now, once you do that, what I would suggest doing is having this on. You can have it in the game or have it on like this. Don't have it turned off. And then all you guys have to do is just put it inside. And that's it. You're gonna be able to see this screen right now on your TV or monitor without any issues. And yes, it's gonna be charging while you're playing. Now, one more thing. If you guys don't have an external controller, so a pro controller, then you will have to take these out because you need these guys in order to control your switch. However, since I do have a pro controller, so it's another controller, then I always just leave those on. So just in case, I do have another video that teaches you how to hook this up to your TV, but that's literally all I do, and I teach you in that video. All you guys have to do is just place this in here, just make sure it's turned on, and then you guys are gonna see this screen on your TV right away. So hopefully this video helped you guys out. If you guys have more issues, let me know. But as far as this video goes, we are all done. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.